what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Ovens Garage. Today we're here working on my wife's 2003 BMW X5 E53, and I'm having an issue with the driver's side door. The driver's side door is not opening from the inside when the car door is locked. So on the first pull, the door mechanism doesn't open the door or unlock the door. When the car is unlocked, however, the door mechanism works and the door opens. So the way these doors are designed is a two-pull system when it's locked. One pull to unlock and the second pull to open the door. The first pull when it's locked is just not doing anything, and second pull will open when the vehicle is unlocked. So I'll show you that here. Alright, so I'm inside the vehicle here. The vehicle has no problem with the driver's side door opening from the outside, but the inside, when the vehicle is unlocked, door opens and closes just fine. However, when the vehicle is locked, it doesn't open at all. What should happen is this. It should unlock, and then you should be able to open on the second pull. So what I believe to be the issue is the door lock mechanism right at the bottom here. And I also bought a door handle carrier just in case that happens to be it. But I'm almost certain that it's the mechanism down here. So I purchased those two parts for the driver's side door, and we'll change those out and see what the issue is. So again, like I said, I got both parts, the door lock actuator and the door handle carrier. I believe the issue to be the door lock actuator, so I'll swap it out and we'll see if that's the problem. If it's not the door handle carrier, I can easily just send that back to Amazon. Alright, so I've got the door panel off. I just want to show you all the locations of the screws that were in there, the Torx screws. This one here, 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 down here. You have to pop this off and unplug the harnesses. There's a light in the bottom of the door, you have to unplug the harness. And then inside the door handle, there's also a small little light when you pull the whole panel off. Got to unplug it. And then you also have to unplug the door latch mechanism on the back. Just pry on this tab at the front a little bit and it'll flop right out. So now we have the door panel open, or the door open from the inside, and we can start digging around and changing out the door lock actuator. Okay, a couple things to disconnect in here. See where that harness is? You squeeze on both sides of that harness, unplug it from the bottom of the actuator. Then on the right hand side, just by my finger there, see that little ball joint thing? Pop that out of the silver part here, and then pull it out of the top. You're gonna have to use just a little pry bar or a screwdriver, pop it out of there. And now at this point, we'll be able to loosen these three Torx bolts, hold the mechanism, and then you'll be able to pull it right out. Just quick note, it makes it easier if you put the controls back in, turn the key on, and roll the window up, so it gives you a little bit more room in there to work. All right, so I've loosened those three bolts. I've managed to shimmy it down. This is still attached, as well as the pull cable still attached. Can't get it through where the airbag is, so I'm gonna disconnect it here, reconnect the new actuator, and put this on the new actuator, and then we'll reinstall. All right, so one thing to note as we're putting the new door lock actuator in order to put it in, you actually need to take out the door lock lock itself. So there's one, I used a 5/32 Allen wrench behind here. There's one little bolt that just comes right out of there, and then you'll be able to just shimmy that guy right out. You need to take that out because you'll see right here on the back side of the door lock actuator, this pin gets in the way if you leave that lock in there, so you need to remove it in order to seat that in the right position, tighten those three bolts down, hook everything up, and then we'll throw in this lock last, and then we'll be able to button everything up. Before I put the door panel on, also put the controls back on, the electrical there, and we'll test it out before we put the door panel back on. Okay, and just confirming from the door lock side that everything works. So if we lock it, it locks. If we hold the unlock, the window should also come down. And then same the other way. Hold it. Window should go back up. And we'll test the button here. Unlock. Lock.
So last thing I'll do is I'll throw the door panel on and make sure that door handle works from the inside.
All right, and so here's with the new door lock actuator installed. The vehicle's locked. All doors are locked. First one pulls it to unlock, second opens it. There we go. Hopefully this video helped if you're looking to replace the door lock actuators in your E53 X5, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be putting some headers in this thing.